Good morning, everyone. This is Joanne with Succeed in Forex. I'm going to start off today with the most dramatic move of the day. That was the euro this morning. With all of the hawkish rhetoric that has been coming out of the European Central Bank saying they definitely were not going to cut interest rates and might even have a possibility of raising interest rates, one of their members let it be known today that they would be dovish. In other words, they were interested in interest rates. With this news, the euro plummeted this morning. It went down to a low of 145.94. It has since then retraced and is trading right around 146.50. It's going sideways at the moment. We have several little dojis going on. It's not knowing exactly what it's going to do, whether it's going to continue to go down or up, and the market is sort of in flux right now. This also kind of messed up the rest of our numbers with our pairs and some of the news that was already posted, which is already published, and I'll be bringing to you anyways. But my advice this morning would be definitely to check your charts for price indicators. A drop like this also messes up indicators, and you need all of this before you make any decisions to trade. And I personally am staying out of the market until it settles down. Well, the headlines out of Switzerland this morning are saying that the dollar-yen dropped to its lowest level since June of 2005 in carry trade unwinding. Well, maybe we need to reevaluate those headlines also with everything that's going on in the market today. Then again, they're saying that the yen rose to its highest level against the dollar since 2005 as investors exited the riskier assets after soft U.S. retail sales data added to fears that the economy could be headed for recession. So we've got one going up and one going down. So we've got a little conflict in the news as well as in the market today. The weak outlook about growth prompted some investors to reduce their risky positions and unwind the carry trades. Analysts said that they are concerned that the slowing spending by U.S. consumers would spread to a slowdown abroad and also weigh on other currencies. The dollar-yen had traded down as low as 106.59 today, but is now at this time trading around 107.36. The Aussie dollar dropped to 87.87, which is well off today's high of 90.19. As we talked about earlier, the euro fell to a 4-month low against the yen to 145.94. It's now retraced some and is going sideways. We have a few dojis going on, some indecision, and it is about 146.54 right now. The Swissy is now trading at 110.04 range after touching a low of 108.55. The crisis in the U.S. financial sector has been weighing on the rest of the economy and the dollar. It has also boosted currencies such as the Swiss franc and the yen that were previously sold because of their low yields. Citigroup, the largest bank by assets, reported its first quarterly loss since its creation in 1998. Citigroup was the first big bank this week to report fourth quarter earnings, and the spotlight will now shift to others, including J.P. Morgan today. Investors are looking to see how much the credit crisis is damaging banks' bottom lines and increasing the risk of a recession. As we've been saying all week, the financial markets are expecting the Federal Reserve to cut benchmark overnight interest rates by at least 50 basis points when its Monetary Policy Committee meets on January the 29th and 30th. Lowering the rates reduces the attractiveness of the dollar and the dollar-dominated securities. That concludes our news for today. We hope you're having a great trading week, and you will continue to do so the rest of the week. Please join us at our website at www.succeedinforex.com. There you'll find a link to our Yahoo forum, which is also Succeed in Forex. We hope to see you there soon.